Question 1, fairly simple and straightforward. Well, the first two, a and b, are powers. We've got to remember here, in this condition, the powers are multiplied, and in this condition, the powers are added. And this is a simple expansion of a bracket involving the variable p. So let's have a go at it. Well, you might say, why do we multiply this and add this? Well, this is actually equal to m squared multiplied by m squared multiplied by m squared. Well, that's exactly the same as what's coming up in part B. We're going to be adding 5 and 8, and we just have to add 2 and 2 and 2 here. So this is equal to m to the 6th, and that's the answer. Well, I've previewed this so much, you just simply add 5 and 8. So this is x to the 13. And that's part B. And part C, we've simply got to do these two multiplications. 4p multiplied by p squared will be 4p cubed. And the second multiplication, 4 times 3, 12. P times p, p squared. And that's the answer they're looking for part C.